Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can actually change your App Store region, cancel or finish subscriptions, and spend any Apple ID balance, because Apple won't let you switch with pending charges. Once done, back up your iPhone and make sure you know the Apple ID email and password. Now open Settings, tap your name at the top, then select Media and Purchases. You'll see an option to view account. Tap that to begin the region change process. Once you're viewing your account, tap Country/Region and select Change Country or Region. Choose the country you want and make sure you read the terms and conditions. This matters because app availability and prices differ. Next, enter a payment method and billing address that match the new country. You can use a local card or select None if allowed. Make sure the details match exactly. Mismatched addresses or unsupported cards are the most common blockers. After entering payment and address details, agree to the terms and confirm the change. The App Store updates your storefront and available content immediately. Once completed, restart your iPhone 15 and open the App Store to verify region-specific apps and pricing. Signing out and back into your Apple ID can force the refresh. If you're blocked, check for active subscriptions or leftover store credit. If issues persist, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in, or contact Apple support for account-specific holds or verification.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.